Hello and welcome to this new course in which you will learn how to create a simple ESP32 web server. As you know, the ESP32 has been a growing star among Internet of Things or Wi-Fi related projects. It's an extremely cost-effective Wi-Fi module that with a little extra effort can be programmed to build a standalone web server. This very tiny microcontroller has the ability to become a web server that can interact with your whole home or any project via web. Now, what you will learn in this course? You will learn how to create a simple ESP32 web server using the very well-known Arduino IDE. You will also learn the ESP32 operating modes, and we are going to explain the station STA mode and the soft access point mode. You will also learn how to wire the ESP32 and connect some components so that you can control them via web. You will also learn the concept behind controlling things from ESP32 web server. And the ESP32, you will learn how to use it as HTTP server using Wi-Fi access point mode, and you will learn how to access the web server in AP or access point mode, and we will write the code line by line and explain everything to the deepest detail so that you can easily get the server up and running in no time. You will also learn how you can use ESP32 as HTTP server using Wi-Fi station mode and how to access the web server in STA mode. So you will learn a lot of things in this course. You will create a web page with control buttons and indicators that communicate with your ESP32 board to turn on and off LEDs or to read sensor data and other stuff. No advanced programming experience is required, just the basic stuff, and I will take you in this journey and teach you everything there is to know. Thanks for watching this lesson. Can't wait to see you inside. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.